calculating probability. What are the chances of a certain thing happening, and how do we calculate that? Okay, we'll start with an example, and then we'll build into the formula that we'll use to calculate the actual probability of some particular thing happening. All right, so let's say, what are the chances of guessing the three numbers that would be picked for the lottery if there's 20 numbers to pick from? Okay, so the first thing we want to ask is, does the order matter? Why do we ask that? Well, we know from before that there's permutations and there's combinations. That's going to determine which kind of calculation we use. So the answer here is no. I'm picking three numbers out of the 20. It's not going to matter which one got picked first or second. We just have those three numbers as our winning combination. Okay, now next thing we want to know is how many winning possibilities are there? How many, and actually let's start with how many total possibilities of everything that could happen first, and then we'll go into the winning number. So how many possible ways could we pick three numbers out of 20 to pick from? Okay, and we set up here the order doesn't matter, so that tells us we're going to use our combination formula, and that's going to be 20, choose 3, which we know from before is 20 factorial, over 3 factorial times 17 factorial, 3 taken away from 20. Okay, we do the calculation for that, and we get 1140 possible combinations. That's how many ways we could pick three numbers out of the 20 to pick from. Okay, so then to calculate, here's our formula. The probability of winning is going to be the number of winning possibilities divided by the total number of possible outcomes that could have happened. And now, number of winning possibilities, well, there's exactly one. We have to get exactly the same three numbers that were picked in the lottery, so there's only one way we could win. And total possible outcomes, we said, is 1140. That's the total number of ways they could pick three different numbers. So we get 1 over 1140. Okay, if we want that as a probability percentage-wise, we would have 0.088%. Okay.